It's not uncommon for PC gamers to face the dual challenges of figuring out how to communicate with one another and how to keep a team together long enough to play a game. While there has been a lengthy history of applications attempting to address this issue, Discord has taken a step closer to solving this dilemma. Hey, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. In this channel, we bring you the most fantastic and most informative news about the world of technology, as well as other electronic advancements and innovations that you should be updated on. We inform you of the world's jaw-dropping smartphones, appliances, gadgets, and other tech world subjects. For this video, we will introduce you to the best bots for your Discord server to spice up your streaming and chatting experience. Before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll get updated on our future uploads. It would also be nice if you give this video a like and share it with your friends. So, what is Discord? Discord is a chat application akin to Skype or TeamSpeak. It's targeted primarily at video game players, giving the means for them to connect, coordinate play, and communicate while playing. It enables video calls, audio chat, and text messaging, allowing users to communicate in their preferred manner. The program simplifies communication by providing search capabilities that enable you to locate other users and add them to a friends list for swift communication. Despite the fact that there are a plethora of free communication tools available online, Discord stands out due to its extensive selection of chat features. In order to make Discord as efficient as possible, the team responsible for developing it has made it a priority to ensure that it does not slow down your games while you are using it. And its best feature? The bots. Discord bots are AI-powered applications that can assist you in automating chores on your Discord server. They make it much easier to create a community that is actually involved and can be used to manage your server, welcome new members, or even ban those who are creating a negative atmosphere for everyone else. In addition to moderating tools, Discord bots allow you and other users to post games, music, memes, and other materials. One example of this is the GAwesome Bot. GAwesome is a great choice if you're searching for a multifunctional bot for your Discord server. In addition to being excellent at moderating conversations, it also comes equipped with an impressive array of interesting features that will help drive more activity on your server. Aside from being capable of kicking, banning, or rewarding members, it can also be used to run surveys, giveaways, make sick memes, and has a variety of other functions. The fact that this bot is equipped with a sturdy extension system is undoubtedly its most notable feature. This means that you may ask GAwesome Bot to reveal results from Google, Wikipedia, YouTube, or Reddit. The Tatsukami Bot. Tatsukami is a powerful Discord bot that many online game streamers rely on for their broadcasting needs. It gives you a slew of controls for managing content, customizing welcome messages, setting up notifications, and much more. It also has features that allow you to browse the web, keep up with the latest news through an RSS feed, and much more. With Tatsumaki's incentive system, players and servers are encouraged to be more active by rewarding them with XP and levels for their efforts. An interesting card shows you where you stand in the server, which encourages you to engage with other members. The Dank Memer. It's no surprise that Dank Memer is one of the most popular Discord bots available on the internet, and for good reason. As implied by its name, this bot obviously focuses on giving you a good laugh with some hilarious memes. Here, you can make memes in a matter of seconds, modify photos, and even gamble with those memes. You can also use prefix commands to produce more than 100 different types of memes in real time. Aside from those, the Dank Memer bot also has its own unique monetary system, which is both amusing and rewarding. It has a moderation system that allows you to set up keywords and image samples to ban and mute people who are being disruptive on the server. Overall, Dank Memer is a must-have bot for your Discord server if you enjoy memes. The Typical Bot. Contrary to its name, you'll be surprised that the Typical Bot is actually quite exceptional, yet simple to use. It provides you with the necessary tools that you can use to moderate your server, such as the ability to soft ban, kick, ban, or declare any of these actions on a server, among other things. You may also access a variety of entertaining features and minigames, as well as stream music from YouTube. The good thing is, not everyone has access to these controls. As the administrator or the DJ, you have full authority with the commands that come with the bot. Not only that, it can also give you a swoon-worthy kitten or puppy photograph, unexpected jokes, and crucial information such as the server ID and channel ID. The Miki Bot. Looking for a Discord bot that is both capable and fun? If yes, then Miki is just the one for you. When it comes to features, Miki is unrivaled in the industry. First off, it allows you to have complete control over your server, provide incentives to users in the form of role awards, and create level-based roles to encourage healthy rivalry. Miki's leaderboard structure is unquestionably one of its most appealing elements. Members earn experience points in a variety of ways, including sending messages, being active, and receiving daily incentives. Miki also enables users to bet with their experience points in a game of blackjack, allowing them to have fun and earn XP. Before continuing with our list, what do you think of the Discord bots that we've shared so far? Do you think they're going to help you spice up your streaming and chatting experience? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Next up, we have the Nightbot. Nightbot is a Twitch and YouTube chatbot that you may find helpful in automating moderation and other new features to better engage with your fans on both platforms. Nightbot can sync with a Discord server in a seamless and simple manner. Additionally, Nightbot offers a number of characteristics that set it apart from the other Discord bots. The Nightbot dashboard provides a central location for a variety of features and data, including information on who the most active chatters are or which commands are the most frequently used. They also deploy a significant amount of spam detection and make a concerted effort to stay one step ahead of the latest types of chat spam. Beyond these chat capabilities, they have a huge variety of helpful and entertaining commands, some of which include giveaways, timers, the ability to exclude chat regulars from spam filters, song requests, and many more. Next up, we have Dyno Bot. After setting up a Discord server, Dyno should definitely be the first bot you install to enhance its functionality. Dyno Bot is a feature-rich bot that provides you complete control over its capabilities through a dedicated dashboard. These features include auto-moderating with modlog, as well as timed mutes and bans. It also has been enhanced to detect spam that uses a large number of words. Dyno is also handy for broadcasting custom announcements, such as when someone joins, quits, or is banned from the server. It also has the ability to give responsibilities to users, as well as post AFK statuses on your account. What's even more appealing is the fact that it includes a Cleverbot connection and can be used to display Overwatch statistics, Google results, and most significantly, stream music from YouTube to the public. YAGPDB. YAGPDB, like Tatsukami and Dyno Bot, is another Discord bot for handling a variety of server-side activities. It is an acronym for yet another general-purpose Discord bot, which gives you a fair sense of what this bot is about. To give you a sense of its functions, you may quickly obtain feeds from many sources directly on your server. It supports Reddit and YouTube, and can even manually set up additional websites. Apart from that, you may construct self-assigned roles for a variety of objectives, including response, moderation, banning, and ignoring. It also has a robust automatic moderator that enables you to define rules for muting, kicking, and banning users following a series of rule infractions. Simply said, if you're looking for a helpful Discord bot that's also feature-rich, you should certainly install the YAGPDB bot on your server, and it will surely not disappoint. Arcane. Arcane is a leveling bot that you may use to assign roles to users of your Discord server as they level up. It has plenty of other interesting features, such as response roles, YouTube alerts for new videos, and moderating settings. Additionally, you may monitor who joins and leaves the server using Arcane's logging tool. If you're searching for a proficient bot that comes equipped with all the capabilities you need to administer your server properly, Arcane is the one to consider. Epic RPG. In recent years, Epic RPG has become one of the greatest Discord bots available. It lets you play a text-based RPG game while leveling up in awesome combat. Not only that, you can also earn and sell armor and weapons to other players on the server. It contains more than 15 dungeons in which you must defeat the dungeon boss in order to gain new commands and features for your character. Most importantly, it also encourages hunting and adventure, which I'm sure a lot of people are searching for these days. So go ahead and join the Discord server to play this wonderful game. There is no doubt that Discord is one of the most powerful communication tools that we have nowadays, and the bots only make them more functional. So, which ones are your favorites and why? If you have any ideas or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment below. We always love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get updated for our future uploads. Again, this is the one and only Tech Factuala, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching!